This is the Photosynthesis and Cellular Respiration Project by Shane Correa and Kalani Grace. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Slide. Photosynthesis, reactants, and products. This is the equation for photosynthesis. At the start, it starts off with 6CO2 plus 6H2O with solar energy, creating C6H12O2 plus 6O2. The reactants in the photosynthesis are 6 carbon dioxide molecules, and 6 water molecules. When it reacts with sunlight, photosynthesis occurs. This occurs in the chloroplast and results in 2 products, which are glucose molecules and 6 oxygen molecules, which is at the end of the equation. How photosynthesis is used in my everyday life. The most important part of photosynthesis to my everyday life is that it produces oxygen that we need to survive. The carbon dioxide we breathe out every day is an important reactant in the photosynthesis process. We breathe out carbon dioxide and plants use that along with the water to produce oxygen that we need to survive. Without photosynthesis, there would be little to no oxygen on the earth, and oxygen requiring life, including humans and animals, would not survive. Without photosynthesis, plants would also die because they wouldn't have any energy, aka glucose. They need to survive. Photosynthesis is important to humans and also to the plants and animals we eat. I'm gonna let Kalani take the next part.
How's it? Cellular respiration, the process by which organisms combine oxygen with foodstuff molecules, diverting their chemical energy in these substances into life-sustaining activities and discarding as waste products carbon dioxide and water. Cellular respiration also occurs in mitochondria. In this process, cells change glucose to ATP, the energy that cells fuel processes. Next slide. So this is cellular respiration, reactants and products. So 6C6H12O plus 62 into carbon dioxide, 2 carbon dioxide, 6 water, and ATP energy. Um, Andosine triphosphate ATP is also produced as the form of energy that can be used for other cellular respiration processes. This cellular respiration is carried out by every cell in both plants and animals and is essential for our daily living. Cells use glucose and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. ATP is used to power the cell functions such as muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and molecule building. Next slide. How cellular respiration is used in our everyday life. Cellular respiration is important to my everyday life because this process creates usable energy from the foods that living things eat. Your body cells use the oxygen you breathe to get energy from the food you eat. During cellular respiration, the cell uses oxygen to break down sugar. Breaking down sugar produces the energy your body needs. But without cellular respiration, we all need photosynthesis and cellular respiration to survive, and both of these processes are related. Next slide. The end.
Then, thank you for listening to our photosynthesis and cellular respiration project.
Yes, sir.